This is Scott Bell with another PowerSchool tutorial. Today we're going to look at how administrators can see read-only versions of teachers' gradebooks using the Admin portal and PowerTeacher Pro. We start out looking at the main PowerSchool page and make one very simple change. Most of the time we're used to looking for students in the search bar, but we'll change that to staff. And now that we have staff, we can see the teachers who exist in the school. There are a number here. We will select the teacher we're interested in. I have my example account set up for clarity. We'll click on that teacher's name, and we have a variety of new options here. To get to this screen, all I do is click on Current Schedule. I have a number of other settings I can use for the teacher, such as information about them and so forth. But right now, we are going to look at just their current schedule. And I noticed that I do have some courses available for these teachers, some of which do have enrollment, which tells me that those are courses that I can look at. These courses are all relevant to the year that I am in. I could look at previous years this way, for example. All I need to do to see this teacher's gradebook is click on the PowerTeacher Pro button up here in the right-hand corner. When I click on that, another web app launches in a new tab or a new window, depending on how your browser is configured. And this is essentially exactly what the teacher sees, except it's in a read-only view. And so if I click on the class selection up at the top, I can scroll through and see all of the classes that this teacher has for this year as selected. I can actually expand that and see other years, previous years, this teacher has worked with. But in this scenario, I'll just look at my current classes, and I will look at, in this case, 8th grade English. I have at least one assignment created in here, and so I can look at the score sheet, which is sort of the traditional grade book. If I had scores entered in here, I would see those. Those would be calculating out to course grades, and I could see that for all of the individual students. Thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and I hope this was useful to you.